A pleasant day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the boss with another video. Alright, let's talk about this. The lady, she live in Jamaica now, but she find a man on the plane when she go to America and come back down and them married and etc. I think she married him over there, if I remember. I don't remember, but she talking her story. But anyway, she met this American man on the plane, married him and get pregnant for him, and trust me, her world turned upside down. Like the video and share it, I could drive and listen.
Alright, hold on then. He like, meet this guy on the plane. When I go to America for a vacation and we meet him on the plane and you know we talk, get to know each other or something. We say I'm married and me was single. I living by myself with my daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, we end up get together. When me and him go on, his mother said to me, say, oh, me no know a man who are married to me. And I said, my daughter was like 12 at the time, and he said, Mommy, and everything what family members say, you must believe, you know. And anyway, me and him go on and thing. Anyway, saying he can't afford to have a woman at Jamaica and him live America.
Mm-hmm.
So, he said, all right, more five for me and my daughter. He goes, so boom, send me and my visa, my daughter have her visa. Me and my 10 year, my daughter have her 10 year. We used to visit and so forth. We used to be in New York, like, you know, no one then back and front. So, he said, all right, most take me up on 5 for me. He take me up for 5 for me now. His mother say, other family member friend I say, send him back your woman and in Pitney because you never experienced this, so oh, you're going to step up this in America. No, this man in America from him a 9-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, him did live with him brother. He tell me situation with him and him brother. When me come in our life, he rent a place. We need the on the lease. Both of us live. All right, so me and him live now. You know, I have no kids, you know. Me have a daughter. Me get pregnant. Now. Me start see a side eye where me never see before. And then me did it and I say, you know, me hungry. And he goes so, boom, and go buy us some food at Polo Tropical and then come in the house and dash away. Just fling in the wall. And he's like, me I say, why you do that? You know, me pregnant and me hungry, me tell you. So my daughter take up your food off 5 floor and say, boy, mommy. You know, Ray. So me I say, boy, me never experienced this in life, in all my life.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Me tell my daughter, I said, no, I don't want the food, throw away. But at the time, my daughter father did dead at New York and left some money for us. So the money come in on my daughter in a free account, but I never want to touch the money because I start realize who he is now.
Mm-hmm. So while I'm there, stick up in.
Pardon?
Before you get pregnant, you only married? Can file for you?
Pardon?
I file for you for go up and you just go up on your visa and married. How you go?
Me go up on my visa and married.
So your daughter does put in
yes,
file
I'm putting in the papers.
Then in breed you?
Yeah, put in the papers.
Alright, so during the pregnancy you start see a different side of him?
Huh?
During the pregnancy you start see a different side of him?
Yes, right. So one day, come in and say, come making carry go shopping. But when he carry go shopping, he buy pork, beef, flour, rice, and sugar, and chicken. We never used to them in life. Honestly, me I tell you. Me have my own house at Jamaica. At the time, my own car, taxi on the road.
You go on good man.
Honestly, me never want nothing. Me have one car wash. Me have a liquor bar. Never wanted a nothing. I tell you the truth,
So we run
MIXUP.
down
I
a friend
never
for.
wanted a nothing because my daughter father in America and he must send money come.
So
And
what you
him,
want? So with all of that,
eh?
yeah, what you choose to go foreign?
Pardon?
What you choose to run for migrate a foreign with everything we have already?
But listen up, because I end up loving man and me, as me I try to tell you, say, I know really money me go there for like I'm gonna go work or them something there for it.
Oh, you end up
Because
falling in
honestly,
love with him,
me
and
I
you
do
say you
good
have a build life with
and
him.
money. I love. Honestly, I love.
Okay.
Me did love him.
I understand.
Nah lie you. And it's like because the house is in my name and my daughter father name. So anyway, I go some woman income myself go shopping. I'm going to Bravo. And the man call him mother on the phone and I say, you go send back this you have to cut out some of my words and mommy are you.
No,
You have to
but you
send
can
back
use
this
it.
dirty stinking wearing this, that girl pan jet blue, go back to Jamaica. And mother say, me not tell you say where me tell you if you don't carry them come here. And you go send him back on the flight and my cousin go on and me try to hide behind a little wall of Bravo there. One right on 441.
So what you do? What you do for making get so vex?
This is because I'm going to say to him, say, me love when you ask a question. I'm going to say to him, say, me never shopping like this. You just a push each other and me just a walk and take up the things them. Me always put a note, make a list, sticky and take time, take up and look at the price. You're cheap, you're cheap, you're cheap, or you're cheap, or I tell a story if you go buy and, you know, all of this thing. No, woman no ear ma go on and the woman said to me, say, I might give you papers and I say yes. Woman said, no listen to him, man. They will come when they will get a city, so like him will come beg you for help. That's the woman said to me. The mother drive off and me have me about 4 months pregnant so. I said, anyway, I have to chuck in the car because I don't know nowhere because I remember I'm carrying me up there, you know. And I tell you something. Everywhere I carry me in, take a long road for me to know nowhere. Me I tell you this, man.
Wow.
Look here. When me can't take it no more, brother. I couldn't take it no more because remember I'm pregnant now, I can't work. Because at the time when I get pregnant, I'm 41. So, him brother say to him, say,
alright, so your brother say what you know, ready now.
No, brother said to him, say, okay, she can go work with the big belly, not the door.
That your brother say in front of you?
That's it, yeah. And look, me at the time, because the time when me get pregnant, me have high blood pressure.
Your iris, man, at 41, your iris.
Yeah, right. All right. Then, it's a long story, brother. 10 years what a story me again, no, brother.
Slice it up.
All right. So, you know, say, all right, me listen to them. So, it's like his mother is a little mix-up woman. So one day mother call him and I say something to him. And he kick off in our house. And his mother come over there, come sleep in our bed between me and him. And I come off and go up on the floor. So, when I couldn't take it no more with my pregnancy, I fly at Jamaica and there around my uncle. When me there around my uncle now, my uncle go and, you know, did it with me and I go and coach me. I left my daughter in her house. His mother called me and said, hey, me can rub butter in a puss mouth. And
so while on there, at the beginning of the story, you did say you have a house and a car and so. So when you go find, what become of the house? Why you never go back to your house?
Because no, it's a housing just house. We end up losing house.
That if you tell me, man. That if you tell me. So you're not pay a mortgage, you're not pay a mortgage. And,
right.
And you stop paying mortgage when you're gone.
Right, because of the situation.
Wow, jeez.
Right? In the perfect sell the car, man, I use the money, I support my picnic. Over there. But in the mix, my pregnancy now, if father money come through, when they don't leave. So it's like I bounce back on foot, right? But me don't make him know what I go on. So when me in the hospital, me get me 2 years. All right. Anyway, me come home now. I'm there in the pregnancy, and my uncle go and help me bounce back and nurture me because the stress get to me. Pregnancy, iris, me just like a faint out. And
you're going a depression.
Yeah. So anyway though, when me go figure have a baby now, me I cut out the story. So when me go figure have a baby now, when me go a doctor, doctor said no, you can't send me back home. At 250 over 180, you can't go back home. No under my watch. The doctor call the paramedic, lock up his surgery and jump in at the car and drive behind the paramedic at hospital. And when he come and take me out. No, fast forward to that. Me go back to that story. When me pregnant, in care one woman come in the house when me have the high blood pressure, in care me have to line up on the floor because all I keep them in my head hurt me. I mean line up. He walk over me with the woman and go in the house, go there with the woman and come back out. And when me I say, why you do this? And why you do this? A man cuss me out and go on, and my daughter said, Mommy, what the thing?
Your daughter how much? At
the time, my daughter is 16 at the time.
Okay.
My daughter said, what the thing? All right. Go so, and come back in a Christmas, and come back with a woman in downstairs in a car. And I said, you really care about a woman? He said to me, in driveway. He said, yeah, see good, and in driveway. Me drop down. My pressure go up and me drop down and me go to hospital. When me go to hospital, one whole white man with some white shirt and some red up on the hand sitting on. Them start questioning me and me have to tell a lie. I said, no. But me go send some evidence come give you to, And I said, no, And then call my daughter one side and question my daughter. And my daughter, me my daughter can reason with eyes. You understand? Anyway, them say him can't come in the hospital. Them have him out the door and me and my daughter inside, Oh no. Boom. Then we never have no healthcare nor nothing, so them draw down the pressure and them send me home. We come home, a man say a long time that should have happened. Right, when him say that, I go on a holy meds, and I say, boy, I just want to get my papers and move it. So me get it 2 years now. Somebody said to me, say, you have to get it 10 years. When you get it 10 years, you can move. Alright. Me get it, when me have a baby now, and me try, when the baby reach like 2 months, me try get one. Me get cut in a cut, me get to have a baby in a cause. When me in the hospital, the doctor say, the pressure so high, them can't deliver the child. And I said, the child gets so frustrated inside me. And start, feast. So, it's like them watch it, them have some monitors or something for me, and them massage my foot and all kind of something. So when the doctor come and he look for me and he rub his head and he say, boy, them call him and say, I have to sign some paper. He and me are the baby. Inside and he say, me not the baby. Alright? And prefer me come and, baby go. Alright. Me tell the doctor and say, prefer the baby and me. No have a problem with me going. Alright. And them do and me pray. Me open my hand and me pray.
So hold on there. Stick up in me. I make a continue. You sign a paper to sacrifice your life and make a baby live.
Right.
And him come in and him saying rather a baby go and you pass away.
Right.
And you come out. So
right. No, me prefer me live and the baby pass away.
So right, the same as you're saying really that committed to the baby.
No one a baby.
What a wicked man. Go and talk.
Hold on, I'm not done with it yet, man. So after that now, the doctor, me pray and something and the doctor say, alright, pressure drop, and they rush with me. Then give me 5 injections on my back. One doctor was there, he was so nice. Him calm, no matter me, I tell you, say, him calm it so much. That's the baby couldn't deliver. You see, as them put him on my head, them put my husband on my head. Me, I tell them, my pressure go right back up in the brother. them have to move him out of the room again, you know. And so when they move him out of the room, and the baby, and the pressure go up, you know, me start bleed hard, you know. So they say doctor run out and come back, like him call somebody on the phone, and them talk, and him come back in, and you know, me start pray, cause me have a knowledge of what going, but down on my foot dead. And anyway, I start praying, pressure drop again. We just calm myself and the pressure drop again, and them sew me up. My daughter said, so when my mommy down, they said, I'm around up and down with the little boy, because you know, him gone, like him not in this world. So them run up and down with him and put him in an incubator or something. My daughter, when my mother, and nobody now answer me, just see them run from that place to place. Anyway, then he see them take me out. I must say, Mom, I did think you're dead enough, and trust me, I will never have nothing to do with that little boy, you know, I tell you the truth, you know. But, Gideon, little boy has come. Alright, they have been for about 2 to 3 weeks. Because when the baby born now, the pressure start go up and now come down, so they rush when me go to the heart room. When I came upstairs, my daughter called him and said, look here, Mommy, I go upstairs. We will need the ear because you have to sign some paper. He said, I'm not run in and out of hospital because we don't know why my pressure go up so. And he don't come. All right, my daughter said nothing. In the place, me and my daughter, and they have some monitor and them outside I watch a monitor or something. I said to my daughter, say, here what you do, when he come, here what you going to do for me, go home and mix some lemonade, mix it as sour as you can piece of garlic come, and the lemonade, and make me carry the pressure that me can come out, me in here too long. And that's what she did. And the pressure go down. When the pressure go down and me go, no, when me there, sorry, when me go inside, and me in the room, the recovery room now, after they take me for the art, something. My mother call and I say, oh, me and him go, a Chinese restaurant, we just eat this, that. I'm like, really? This real? And then him come now and he must say, me don't know your pressure go up so. Then the mother come sit down in the room and I look on the baby hand, foot and whatever, and the nurse said, listen, I phone no pitney. Look on the pitney a dead stamp on no. And the mother said, pitney just born and favor people. And the nurse laugh and said to me, say, what a sickness you have to go through. All right. Boom. For go on, go home. And me go home. And me there. No, me just get cut or something. No, him not have no money like that. So the money they come through for my daughter, for my father. So we go in a store and we pick up everything for the little boy. Out of my daughter money when father dead left and pick up everything. Go home. When they home or something, run off about a month, his mother come at the house. And then my daughter go up on the road. And he jump up and say, wanna go. And he grab me up and his mother lick me in my neck back. And I say, I learn something, I have to get through for papers. I never know so them something that really come true. They really happen to me in a day my time. Look at me not do good at Jamaica and look at me talk about love man and come America. But love man and man a pitney, I'll give man pitney. The man say, in the middle of the pregnancy, man said, drop me for drop long and dead and run all the truck. That's the man. Alright? One day, why the man behave so? When me could have done, me no bad, me no run pan down, me no know no way, me not go no way, anyway me go at him. Alright, when me start get to work at the the casino now, I'm a work at casino. Man bite me on my breast. So one day, me had a serious depression, brother. When me tell you, me had a depression, because I go to doctor give me depression tablet. When the baby reach about 2 to 3 weeks, me have to fly come to Jamaica, you know. Go see one counselor, you know. Counselor, give me all the counselor letter, me I send everything to show you. I'm not lie, me I tell you. I serious something this, me I tell you, no joking business. I mean, I make up no story. And when we go to boom, I go back up there, and then I work. And in back on the breast, one white lady call me. I'm up on the floor, because it had drained through me uniform. And somebody can make a report to the head office and then call me. And say, what to me? I tell them, say, my husband bite me on my breast. And when I tell them, say, my husband bite me on my breast, and say, no, this is serious. So them have a police there, you know. And the police, them say, them all call in outside police and report them. I say, no, because me don't get my papers yet. And them say, look here, you can't get your papers. This casino is very powerful. You can get your papers. That's why me just go there, me don't know law, me don't know nobody, me don't have no friend.
So why you never got the station? You don't know what to dial 911 and tell them?
Then me don't call police, and when me call the police and the police come. The police ask me, say, if me not have nobody for left pit with and go work. The police say, why me not divorce him and get legal rights for the child.
Yeah, so why you not do all of that?
Me file divorce and give the man the divorce, pay $4,000 for the divorce, and the man tear up the paper and don't go to court. Listen, man, it is unbelievable, and enough people that say me not have no sense.
That them all say?
Yes, I know them all say that.
Yeah.
But listen, at the time, I remember, I'm in a foreign country, I don't know nobody. I have my daughter, and I just get pregnant with my son. You know, when a woman get pregnant, then go down, then get vulnerable. Because every time I just cry, my daughter said, Mommy, I've never seen you cry. And listen, me break down, you know, say a blood vessel behind my eyebrows. Because this is something I never experienced in my life. And it just attacked me so till, may I tell you, I don't know if I tell you. And the thing is, every time I try to work, I like build myself like can rent somewhere, because you know you have to work 3 months, use the thing for rent somewhere, like the pay stub. Man try to stop the work with the little boy.
But we have the whole heap you make yourself vulnerable in a state where I don't know, because I do this program a long time and I learn a lot. Once somebody file for you and them abuse the system, you can go report them.
This is what I'm saying to you. I'm not saying that I know this at the time.
At the time. Yeah, I understand you, man. I understand what you're saying.
No, I'm a citizen now. Right? Because I file for me citizen. No, I'm a citizen.
So you're a citizen of the United States now?
Yes. No, I file for my citizen.
And the kids them too?
Pardon?
The kids them too?
Yeah, my daughter is a military. She's in the military, so she's a citizen. My son born there.
Alright, so going forward now, I could get to your point. Your daughter, your 16-year-old daughter, she's in the military now over United States.
She's 25.
She's 25 now. And your son is 10-year-old now. And he's also, by birth, he's a US citizen. So I'm not
right.
So, what we are doing here? You're supposed to reach back over, so why problem now?
But if you understand, I'm asking to you, say, look here, me can't get any job because of the man. Every time I try to work, the man try to stop me from, the last time.
So you're telling me that right now on this phone, if you choose to go back to America, in a different state or somewhere else, and you apply for a job, this man is going to know that you're working?
No. I'm not going to know me working. Remember, if me go there with a child, no. Me have to have, money for start something. You understand what I'm saying? Get an apartment, whatever. My furniture, them, they're theme house, and also my car there, and my clothes them did it and all those stuff.
Oh, at theme place in New York.
At our place where we have where we file where we do rent. So my name the on the lease and his name on the lease.
Hope somebody will watch your program and take your number and try help you legally. May I be honest with you?
Yes, honestly, that's what I ball for. I need help.
Yeah, because your story, I listen to your story and I try to come to terms why really issue here. And when you talk, I kind of understand exactly why problem you face. The man know the system, my friend, and him does...
He might take advantage
of it. And you know, you're not the type of person where outgoing where you go seek legal advice or something. You say, I mean, if you understand, you did it pregnant too. So you could do... So hold on, what age you leave America with the baby? Like, what the baby did what age when he come Jamaica?
When we come to Jamaica, it was 9. When we decided to come home, it was 9.
9? Oh, so you end up stay over there for a good while, man.
Yes.
So where you live? You live with him?
Yeah, me live with him, and every time he run me out and then me call the police. And the last time I call the police say, me go get one night time and tell him to come out. One night time me did try rent one room and try and move out, and he find a place, and me call one Uberman, and he drive down the Uberman and say, oh, Uberman are there with me, oh, him at this, oh, him at that, and he look up in that car, and he cuss and he go on, and one piece of sitting, that's he lady when me rent the house from say he can't have me there. She can't have me there. Me have to, she and her husband say me have to go back where me I come from because them no want them type of life there. Right? No, me tell him say, look here, me I come back home. He tell me say, me have to text them everything. He tell me say me can't come back there. And my name the panelist and he say me can't come back. Many people can't come back there. Me have all I text them, me go send go show you.
Okay.
Right? So me need some legal advice. Me want to know what me can do. You understand?
The greatest thing, you can go back in your country a morning if you want. That's what I'm glad for.
Yes. Right?
Yeah.
Me need to know, me need some help. Me need him to divorce me. Me need him to, you know, because he cannot tell me to come. Come we make up it back after me file for divorce him. I say come, we make up it back and he don't turn up a court, him don't do nothing. You understand me? He carry up the paper them.
This have to teach everybody a lesson. Because here you go about your... No, I say this to teach people lesson. There you go about your business and you make man complain, tell you him like you. And then you go married man. And we even know so some of them people are some mad people in a clean clothes.
Exactly. Honestly, for really, me tell every woman me hear enough of them I say them want to go foreign, me I tell them say when they pick up themselves and go with the man a dirty living, enough of them me meet enough of them in the casino, them can't even pay their fear to come back to Jamaica man mash them up there. You hear me say?
What?
Me I tell you, man, me I tell you something, man, me I tell you, the worst life me ever lived in my entire life is America.
Wow.
I never know a man could run out woman out of house, married to woman and breed, woman and happy with woman, and have stepdaughter. Me see man I drive down my daughter and tell him say my garbage you know. He must throw a bitch, you know. Wait, my 16-year-old daughter, you know.
Wow.
Listen, my man. Me say, me hear man say me fi drop down and dead. Me gonna send some evidence going give you. When me don't talk, me send you evidence. And you can highlight them online. You can do whatever you want to do with them. Me give you. Look here, when I tell me feel like no one call feminine, man call female, man call which party me work, you know. Me I tell you the truth, you know. Because me need help. Me need some help. Me need help. Me need some help, man. Me need some, because look here. He must say, little boy can't come back there. He must say, me can't come back there. Me married to him. Me and my things them there. And he must say, me can't come back there. The little boy not even want to hear him.
Him out of the door. So you can't come back there. And you legally married him. Look, you say, I know some woman that dragging she mud. Right now, you should have paid child support.
Well, me not lie you. Me not tell no lie. Send $600 come give me a month for liquor boy.
Oh, he send 600 a month, come give you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for liquor boy. Me not lie. Me want him. Me not tell no lie on him.
Oh, so I'm going to take care of the youth. Okay.
When me have to do, me have to go with him and sign up agreement. Me have the agreement. Me have everything when me go send come again. You know. Me I go show you where him give me him sign up agreement for give me legal parenting right for the child, you know. That mean you know want nothing to do with the picnic, you know. You hear me say?
But I only pick him up.
One, take it one. Me need some help, brother. Me need some help.
That's our life stay. More time I cover some story. With Pitneyton them back on parents. And this is a perfect example now. Now this man get old now. See? And this boy I go get turn a big man now. And when this man
50, he is 50.
Yeah, in next 20 years him our 70. See? Next,
right.
Next 20 years your son will be 30. Young said we. Anybody can take sick or whatever can happen. And now when him turn him back on him now, yeah, then say Pitneyton back. This is a perfect example, you know.
Look here, man.
Because you have to say 10-year-old boy and I love him father and hate him.
No. In terms of wake up every night, I saw something no fit for airplay, me can't talk it.
No, not talk it, please. Make it stay there, so.
Yes, me I tell you. No, me just I tell you. And listen to me. Me I tell you something. A man treat me like, and I like say me bad and I run up and down and sit in them because remember now me don't know no way, me don't know nobody, you know. And listen, me man treat me and my daughter like we're a piece of trash. Suppose you hear when the man cuss, say we are garbage, we're stir, bitch, and this, that, and tell all the little boy, lucky doing your mother face, your mother is not, you know what your mother are, your mother is a stir, bitch. And them something them I tell you like a picnic. Me need help, honestly, me need help, because if you go back there right now.
I'm glad it's not financial help you need, because we don't have that fear for, but No, man, me just say that. No, man, me just say I'm glad it's not that. So I'm glad say you just want legal advice.
Yeah, legal help. We need legal help.
Right.
We need legal help.
Yeah, so I could say
me no want no money for nobody.
Right.
Me no beg out no help for nobody like that. No, me no depend on a program for that. Me need to know what can happen. Me need some I personally in the US to take up that case. I need some help. Honestly, me depend bending knees. This is why me call her, because me need help. And me I beg help. Me no mind Joe Biden could hear this and help me right now. Me I tell you.
Oh.
Trust me, Joe Biden.
Sleepy Joe.
Eh?
But you see man step down now. A Kamala.
Whoever, listen, me don't know whoever we can help
Want
me.
to Trump?
Help.
You don't want Trump to help you?
Anybody help me. Me need help. Me a beg help. Because my son can't be in Jamaica so long and we can't get no help.
So how long now when left on the America? How long now when they are Jamaica now? How much years?
Alright, my son there 1 year and me there about 9 months.
9 months, okay. So you don't want to go back in America and go get better your life because your daughter over there and your son a citizen.
My daughter in the military right now, me can look on her to help me. She try to help herself.
Set herself. I understand.
You understand? I'm not talking about financial. And me need the man for discipline. Me need him either me go there and stay there till me can push out myself. Push out myself, me take up my things them and me leave. You understand? Me can't go and start work. That's me can't get my place rent and me can move on. And then when me at work, you know, at one time me at work at McDonald's, and when me at work at McDonald's, the man for come because we are spell, and the man for come my shift for go on 2 o'clock, and you know, say man come till 5 o'clock.
Spider.
You know, want me to work, you know, want me to better, you know, want me to move, you know, want me to move on. And then these sort of things, say, him want to pay the bills. Or if you don't give me the chance to go work, me I will help you pay bills.
How can I work in do over there?
And me talk, everybody are going to know him, you know.
Then what you do, you talk and I hide it for nobody to know him?
No, me just I tell you before me start. You work a fresh pint, import and export.
So when the drive trailer or
No,
that's
my
work.
supervisor in there.
Okay. Well, at least people know him a and know him a cheater. Because that not sound good.
You understand me? And me I tell you, trust me, a man treat me like a piece of shit. Me don't know for what, me don't know what me could do him. I do him a man by me for my breast, him by me for me hand. Me I go send all of them the evidence they come give you. Me I go send the police report come give you. Me I go send a council report come give you. Me I go send everything. As me come off my phone, me I go look for them and me I go take a picture of them and send them come give you. And when you can put them up, show people say I don't lie me I tell. One time police come and you run out me and me see his son. The last policeman say, why me not go back to Jamaica?
Well, they are Jamaica now.
Eh?
They are Jamaica now.
This one man say, why me not go back to Jamaica? He say, you know, nobody in America. Me say, my daughter, she in the military. He say, well, you can't pressure your daughter because she does in the military. You understand me? But me I tell you something. And then me down and he live in a house up there with woman and he have woman and drive me car up there.
Wow. What a life. What a story.
And me and my son can't stay in there and I'm mine in the panel and he have woman living there.
I understand your point, man. I'm going to share the story tomorrow evening because I have one program for share tonight. And
but you want me want to send this evidence and go give before you share. That's what you have. When you put up it, you put up it and a truth and me need help. Beg somebody to help me. Me don't know who you gonna beg to help me, but just me mother love you beg somebody to help me.
Anyway, guys, anybody who hear the story and know our situation, if they can help, me ask her as much question as I can ask her. Come on, kind of understand where she come from. Guys, I know it's another story I'm going to post. I'm going to post a story about the pastor, the man where the lady we called last night. I said the pastor man, David there and have our wife. After me record the video and everything, she go call me and tell me say the pastor man call her mother and say she not fi come put out him. I tell you this. I say if you not come on my platform and waste my time for record, which is half an hour and 1.5 hours for edit, anyone I want to come back with no story for my show and about take it down, you have to pay me for it. I'm telling you from now, you have to pay me for it. Alright? And the price now go normal. So I'm going to put it out there. If you now come with a story, if you don't know, I'm going to shy and talk about this and that, I want to know on this, you have the option, you can change your voice, or you can go ahead with it. Alright? So none about that stress me out and give me water if you carry basket, give me a basket if you carry water, yeah? Anyway, guys, may I come live. Anybody who know the law and have a legal representative or somebody who can assist her, let me know. Alright, she want what's hers and she entitled for it. Anyway, later.